mowing that down.
Oh yeah.
What is that? Suet?
Suet. And look at the blue jays getting the
Blue jays moving in.
It's weird how he can let go of that and drop, and then he flies.
Yeah. Looks like Woody Woodpecker.
Yeah, you think that, yeah. But you think that they would
He's
drop.
gone, he hid. Oh, he's out there.
I don't know how they can drop it and take off like that. That just blows my mind.
Now he's looking for insects.